And you got a salt.
Yeah, you guys see that? Yeah, it's all good. I'm fine. I know.
That's salt.
Yeah, no, I know. If you guys have that footage, I'd love to get it too.
Yeah, let me go get my info from the manager.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, because they're pretty salty.
Yeah, were they acting that crazy in there too?
Well, that's why they got kept out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they care. They don't like me.
Were you here? Were you here?
His name is JJ.
Okay.
He said to email him. He's pulling it right now, and the
Okay.
times and everything, and he'll get it to you. Just send him an email to him.
Awesome, I will do. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, she was definitely hitting you.
Yeah, yeah.
You can see we got it's all right here, and we saw everything basically when she punched you and kicked you.
Oh, you got
Okay.
the cameras there. I saw the ones over here.
Yeah, we were watching right here. So.
Okay. Hey, I appreciate that. Thank you. What's up, dude?
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
I got the evidence off of it and then held on to it so I wouldn't have to book it the whole thing into evidence and make you come like pay to get it out.
Gotcha.
No point. So thank you. Looked at all the video. I have the other person identified.
Okay.
And I got a statement from them. It's in the report. Looking at evidence, statements, I've labeled her the suspect and you the victim.
Okay.
And I'm filing charges after the DA's office with you as a victim of battery by the primary aggressor.
Okay. Just the one, or is there
I don't.
two?
That's the only one I'm sending on right now.
Okay.
Looking at the video on the second one, she does some flailing and she does some brushing, which I need to get with the DA to see if he feels that that's unwanted, forceful in nature. And then some of her leg kicks are flails, and I can't see if they connect with you or not, and they're low speed. And I don't know if they quite merit forceful, but I definitely think the slaps and hits from primary aggressor number one constituted battery, so I'm filing that charges.
Okay.
You're putting your light so we don't see you. Get the out.
Can you stop?
Recording a child. You're
Shit, you
recording a
ain't scaring
child.
nobody.
Keep that
Don't touch my shit. You guys want to leave? Leave. I'm staying here though. I ain't gonna get bullied off.
If you want this shit to continue, leave. If you want this shit to continue, then leave. I'm a minor, and I'm gonna call the cops on you.
Drop that shit.
Hey, I dropped it. I'm staying here. You're the one coming up.
So as far as I can tell, none of my property is damaged. Rosa's first attack did cause my camera to stop recording abruptly, which did damage the video output. These females absolutely need to learn that first of all, it's not illegal to record in public.
Public sidewalk.
You're about to catch a case. You're about to catch a case.
Call the cops. You're literally recording you females right now like a
It's not
redneck.
illegal.
You're a
Not illegal.
No, it's illegal.
However, hit shit.
It's illegal
Hey,
if we don't want to be
fucking touch me.
recorded. It's
Hey,
illegal
don't
if we don't
fucking
want
touch
to be
me.
recorded.
Second, two grown-ass women should not be claiming they are minors to try and incite others to violence.
Big deal.
I'm a minor and he's over here.
Acting like a child. You're acting like a straight up child.
And
Yup.
why are you entertaining a child? They sold us the drinks.
Yeah.
They saw that we were 21 and over. They sold us the drinks.
Third, it is a crime to strike or attempt to strike anyone.
Because even the ones that don't land are still what we call PC 242s.
Okay.
An assault isn't necessarily landing a punch, it's the attempt to punch somebody.
Got you.
The assault becomes a battery when that attempt lands and it's successful. So
Okay.
that's what, when you hear people all the time in the media say, like, assault and battery. Well, they're two different things, and that's what it means. So if I swung at you and I missed, it's still an assault.
Okay.
If I swung at you and hits, it's an assault. It became a battery, so they're both there.
Got you. Okay.
Probably-
Stay tuned.
I'll record the cops all day.
Weirdo. Weirdo.